Every year, millions venture into the wilderness, seeking adventure and escape. But sometimes, the tranquility of nature is shattered by something else. Tonight, we delve into a chilling account from two urban explorers, known only as Dee and his companion, who sought to spend a night camping near an infamous local legend, the Witch's House. What started as a harmless thrill soon became a terrifying brush with the unknown. Dee, a seasoned paranormal investigator, and his friend were drawn to the abandoned house by its reputation for paranormal activity. They intended to document their experience, hoping to capture evidence of the supernatural. As they approached the house, an unsettling feeling washed over them. The air grew heavy, and a foul odor permeated the surroundings.
Smells weird out here.
It smells really bad.
The house stood as a grim testament to time and neglect. Locals whispered stories of dark rituals and unexplained deaths associated with the property.
I think that smell's starting to really set in.
Yeah, what is that smell, though? I've never smelled that smell.
The oppressive atmosphere inside the house was amplified by the strange, nauseating smell. It was a scent of decay and something far more sinister.
Oh, dude.
What?
I can see when you looked in there, I can see in there, it's like a whole hallway.
It's covered up with sheets in there, dude.
What the
They began their investigation, using a spirit box app to attempt communication with any entities present. The silence was broken only by the static of the device and the growing sense of dread.
Is anybody in here? Hello?
Are you going to try to go upstairs this time?
Well,
Come on, dude. I don't want to be the only one to do it.
it sounds like something's up there.
I know. It could be just the house moving, though, because we're in it.
Oh, yeah, let's hope that it keeps moving while we're in it.
It's a cat.
But that was not the only sound. The sounds grew more and more terrifying.
Damn, Dale. And the smell's getting worse. Oh!
What's that, dude? Oh, my God. Dude, there's somebody upstairs.
I already checked up there, Dale. There ain't nothing up there.
Oh, my God.
This happened last time.
Hey, if you just want us to leave, we'll leave. Say something.
No, I don't know.
You already looked? That was big, whatever that was. Hey, we're gonna come up and just... If you want us to leave, just say something, man. Be careful, dude.
It sounded like it was from right there. Like it was in the room.
Yeah, it sounded like somebody running or tripped and fell down. Oh my God. Make sure to check each room. You see anything?
No.
You still smell up there?
Yeah, it smells.
Checking everywhere?
Yes.
Is that you?
Okay. Somebody's coming down. Go, 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 go. Somebody's coming, go, go, go.
Driven by pure terror, they fled the house, not daring to look back. They were convinced they had seen something. Someone waiting for them.
Dude, we gotta go. Go, go. Go, Joe, go, go, go. Run! All right, it's safe to record now. Dale.
I'm not running.
We made it out alive.
Dude, I swear, bro, that had a knife. Could you
Dale,
see it?
I just knew that we was dead.
Could you see it?
I didn't see. I just saw that it had like some kind of coil
Like so
on or
slow.
something, some kind of blanket or I don't know.
I'm like so incredibly slow. Like,
Dale, I never seen you move that fast in your life.
thank you. But I peek back, and I just see like the blue cover she's got on, and then she's got like this whole dress underneath it, and there's just a fucking knife and a flashlight, just like a blade. I could tell it was a blade.
I didn't see that. I just remember looking back.
To this day, Dee and his friend remain haunted by their encounter at the witch's house. Was it a figment of their imagination? Or did they truly cross paths with something sinister? What lurks in the shadows of our world? And are we ever truly alone? Remember, when exploring the unknown, tread carefully. Some doors are best left unopened. And always respect the power of the stories they tell.